Okay, now question for students. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 500 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? First, you try to understand the question. What is the question? क्वेश्चन ऐसे पूछ रहे हो लोग कि जो सी लेवल है वो सी लेवल पे क्या हो रहा है, प्लेन जो है वो फ्लाइंग हो रहा है, राइट, और एग्जैक्टली वही पॉइंट पे सबमराइन है वो फ्लॉटिंग हो रही है। तो हमें करने का क्या है, करने का वो है कि जो सी लेवल के ऊपर जो प्लेन है और जो सबमराइन है वहां का डिस्टेंस है वो कितना है, वो हमें कैलकुलेट करने का है। ओके, तो फर्स्ट वी विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन एंड दैट distance between plane and the sea level. You have already seen that what is the distance between the sea level of the plane. Okay. Distance between plane and the sea level. Okay, what is the distance between that? 5,000 meter above the sea level. Okay, then next, distance between submarine and sea level. मतलब ये जो distance है वो कितना है, तो you can see that that is a 500 meter. Clear? Okay. तो what is the vertical distance between them? मतलब हमारे प्लेन का और सबमराइन ये दोनों का डिस्टेंस कितना है वो हमें फाइंड आउट करने का है। Okay, the distance between the plane and the submarine 5,000 meter plus 1,200 meter. So what is the answer? 6,200 meter. This is the distance between them. Clear? Okay, students. Next question. Question number 5. Mohan deposit rupees 2,000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1,642 from it. The next thing, if withdrawals of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. What is the withdrawal? Withdrawal मतलब पैसा ले लेने का, right? Okay, Mohan's deposit. Deposit means पैसा रखने का। कितना रख दिया उसने? 2000। उसके अकाउंट में 2000 रुपीस उसने रखा, लेकिन दूसरे दिन उसने क्या किया कि विड्रॉल कर दिया। कितना? 1642 रुपीस। 1642 रुपीस उसने ले लिया। तो कहने का मतलब है कि तो उसका जब विड्रॉल हो जाता है मतलब पैसा वो ले लेते हैं तो बाद में उसका अमाउंट कितना रहता है, उसके बैंक में कितना अमाउंट रहता है। ओके, तो मोहन डिपॉजिट पहले उसके बैंक में कितना उसने पैसे रख दिया, उसके अकाउंट में 2000 रुपीस, राइट। बाद में उसने कितना ले लिया? 1642 रुपीस पहले रख दिया, बाद में ले लिया। तो यू नो दैट व्हाट विल वी डू? सबट्रैक्ट, मतलब माइनस कर देंगे। रुपीस 2000 माइनस रुपीस 1642, तो आंसर आएगा 358 रुपीस। बट उसने क्या लिखा है? withdrawals of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount? कहा गया है कि उसने अमाउंट जो है वो अकाउंट रिप्रेजेंट नेगेटिव में है, so the amount deposit is represented by a positive integers. Clear? Okay, now question number 6. Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 kilometers toward the west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? क्या कहते हैं कि रीटा जो है वो कहाँ जा रही है? 20 किलोमीटर जा रही है फ्रॉम right side you can see that is the east and here west. Okay, it has started from here to walk A to B. It's say 20 kilometers. Right, from A to B. Okay, then after that she moves how many kilometers? 30 kilometers. 30 kilometers toward west along the same road. मतलब वो यहाँ से फिर 30 किलोमीटर्स वो ही रोड पे उसने चालू किया. तो दिस साइड दैट मीन्स -30 किलोमीटर्स. राइट. ओके, तो which integer will you represent her final position from A? Okay, so first we will see that distance moved towards east 20 kilometers. That means it has started from A to B on 20 kilometers. Okay. Okay, then she started again distance moved towards west -30 kilometers. You can see here because they have already given -30 kilometers. She is going from first side. Okay. What is the final position from A to B? So -30 plus 20 minus plus minus, that means 10 kilometers. But negative integers -10 kilometer. -30 kilometers 20 minus plus minus -10 kilometer. If you want to see this answer is right or not, so you can check for yourself. कैसे देखिए, तो यहाँ पे आपको 20 किलोमीटर्स ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है. राइट, अपना आंसर क्या मिला? 10 किलोमीटर. दैट मीन्स -10 किलोमीटर. तो दिस इज द पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स 20 किलोमीटर्स एंड माइनस प्लस माइनस. आंसर इज 30 किलोमीटर्स. तो 30 किलोमीटर्स दे हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन. सो आवर क्वेश्चन इज correct. Clear? Okay. Question number 7. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sound. Check which of the following is a magic square. First, what is the magic? You know that magician doing different types of the tricks in a circus. So यहाँ पे हमको क्या करने का है कि हमारा जो स्क्वायर है वो मैजिक है, मतलब कोई जादू दिखा रहा है, वो हमको चेक करने का है. तो देयर आर 2 स्क्वायर्स, मैजिक स्क्वायर, बट नाउ आई विल डिस्कस ओनली फर्स्ट. हम लोग पहले देखते हैं कि फर्स्ट स्क्वायर में हमारा मैजिक होता है कि नहीं. ओके, तो फर्स्ट वी विल चेक द रो, कॉलम एंड डायगोनल. तो फर्स्ट आई विल स्टार्ट विथ ए रो. रो दैट मीन्स okay, first row. This is the first row. First row 5 plus -1 minus 4. You can see that 5 plus -1 minus 4. 5 by 5 plus minus. So I have written -5. 5 plus minus, that is answer 0. So first row answer is a 0. Clear? Okay, now second row. You check the square and then you write with me. Second row, -5, -2, plus 7. Okay, minus plus 5 plus 2 7, but the sign will come -7. Okay, and then plus 7. Minus plus minus. The answer is 0. Second row answer is also 0. Clear? Now third row. This one. 0 plus 3 plus in bracket -3. 0 का 0 plus minus 3 minus 3. Answer is 0. Clear? So third row answer is also 0. You can see that here is 0, here is 0 and also 0. That means first row, second row and third row is equal. Answer is 0. Okay, now what we have to check now? Next is column. Row I have done. Okay, now column. Column बोलेगा तो like this one. Clear? 5 minus 5 plus 0. तो plus minus 5 minus 5. Answer is 0. Clear? Okay, now second row. Second row that means in middle row. Second row -5 Second column, you can check here with your square. -1, -2, +3. -1 plus minus -2 +3. Minus minus plus, but the sign is -3. +3, -3 +3, minus plus minus. The answer is 0. The second answer is also 0. Okay, now third column. Right? You can see here -4 +7 plus in bracket -3. Minus plus minus. The answer is -7 plus. Okay, now question 7. You can see that there are also another square. It's also magic square, but you check it. It's a magic square, yes or not. So you write with a row, check with the column, row and diagonal. Okay, write it yourself. Now I will start question number 8. Verify a minus b is equal to a plus b for the following values of a and b. वेरिफिकेशन करने का यू नो दैट हाउ टू डू इट. हमको ये देखने का है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड इज इट इक्वल और नॉट. ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन a इज इक्वल टू 21, b इज इक्वल टू 18. मतलब आपको वैल्यूज दे दिया है, a 21 दिया हुआ है, b 18 दिया हुआ है. आपको चेक करने का है ये स्टेटमेंट में कि ये सही है कि नहीं. सो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट हियर a माइनस b इज इक्वल टू a प्लस b. जो आपको दिया है वही आपको से यहाँ पे लिख देना है. क्लियर? ओके. नाउ व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ द a? 21. सो आई विल कीप हियर 21. मैंने यहाँ पे 21 वैल्यूज रख दिया. माइनस का माइनस, b का -18. ओके, नाउ 21 minus minus plus 18. 21 plus 18, answer is 39. This is the left hand side. Now we will check right hand side. a plus b means a is equal to 21, b is equal to 18. 21 plus 18, answer is 39. So right hand side answer is 39. Left hand side and right hand side both answers are same. So left hand sides and right hand sides are equal. That means a minus b is equal to a plus b is equal. Okay, now question number 8. Second sums, a is equal to 118 and b is equal to 125. Now you put this value in this sums. A minus b is equal to a plus b. And then you check it yourself that this both sides, that is left sides and right sides, are equal or not. Okay, now question number 9. Use the sign of greater than, less than or equal in the box to make the statement true. मतलब आपको जो स्टेटमेंट दिया है उसमें आपको साइन रखने का है कि वो कौन सी साइन आई है. राइट? ओके, फर्स्ट सम्स -8 plus -4. They are given box and then other sides -8 minus -4. Okay, now we will check it. -8 plus -4. Minus plus, but sign is -12 because you know that. Okay, now then this is the left hand side. Okay, now another side -8 minus -4. -8 का -8 minus plus, so +4. -8 plus 4 minus plus minus, answer is -4. You can see here the answer is -12 and here -4. So -12 is less than -4. So which sign will become in the box? -8 plus -4 less than -8 minus -4. This is the first sums and other sums. -3 plus 7 minus 19, then 15 minus 8 plus -9. Please you write for yourself and then you tell me which sign will become in the box.